Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. The people have spoken. On the last episode of What Would You Do? I asked you, what do I do about the C4 shifting in this Bronco, this 66 Bronco? Came with a 3-speed manual, I'm changing it to an automatic, and the overwhelming responses were don't touch either of these floor shifters with a 10-foot pole. So I'm gonna go put these away. I didn't even bother tallying it up this time because it wasn't even close. Vast majority of you told me to go ahead and buy the Tom's Bronco Parts automatic column shifter. I don't have the money for that right now, so I'm not gonna do that, but I will in the future. So here's my plan. Based on your feedback, I'm gonna run it with the cobbled together connection off of the current manual column. We're gonna do that for a little while, see how it goes. And then when I have a reason to tear into the dash or the firewall, I'll do the column change and switch to the automatic. Sound like a plan? Great. I got another What Would You Do coming out Monday night. That one's on some of the rust that exists on this truck. There isn't a whole lot of it, but there's enough to ask a question. In the meantime, I got to go tune the carburetor on the Scout. There'll be a video about tuning the Edelbrock AVS2 coming out shortly. Thanks. See you next time on Matt's Garage.